Hey guys, it's Kay. Of course, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you this wig I'm currently wearing on my head. So I received this wig from YGWigs. Just in case any of you guys are interested, I'm going to go ahead and leave all the links and details in my description box. Real quick, I did have to film this over just because when I was playing the video back, I noticed you could kind of see my lace and I didn't really like that. So I did go in and add my finishing powder to the front just to conceal the lace a little bit more, and I think that it blends in much better, and you'll see in the next clip versus this clip. So y'all let me know what y'all think, but I really love this wig. I literally applied this in like 5 minutes, y'all. Is that serious, because this wig comes pre everything. Okay, if you are looking for a quick wig just to put on where you don't have to put so much time and energy into it, definitely check the description box for this wig down below. But yeah, let's hop into this video.